Colostrum is the first food provided by nature for newborn mammals. This food recipe prepared by nature is superior in terms of quality of each ingredient and the extraordinary health benefits resulting from one ingredient or a combination of two or more ingredients. Colostrum is the first fluid that comes out from the mammary glands of mammals during the first few days after giving birth. The color is yellowish and the consistency is a bit sticky. Mature milk is produced and is secreted by the mammary glands 2 to 3 weeks after giving birth. The main difference between colostrum and true milk is that colostrum contains large quantities of antibodies or immunoglobulins compared to true milk. Since the dawn of civilization, man has been amazed by a food called colostrum. Colostrum is life's first food. This God-formulated food is superior because of its unique composition and the amazing health benefits attributed to it. Despite the advances in food science, man still falls short of formulating a food that can surpass this nature-formulated colostrum in terms of improving human health. Medical researchers and experts called colostrum the miracle food because it is the only food in nature that contains antibodies. Antibodies or immunoglobulins are proteins that fight disease-causing microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses. This is the reason why breastfeeding is very important. Newborns must breastfeed with colostrum to avail of antibodies for protection from our trillions of pathogenic organisms in our surroundings that may cause lethal diseases to a newborn whose immune system is still immature. There are several forms of commercially prepared colostrum in the market. Colostrums are available in tablet, capsules, spray, lozenges, and powder forms. Colostrum food has been in the global market for 20 years now. About 500 patented brands are commercially available in different countries like the United States, Australia, Japan, and Canada. In the Philippines, the first colostrum food is IGCO colostrum, a 100% natural colostrum blended with skimmed milk. IGCO colostrum is a powder form colostrum from New Zealand. Using the state-of-the-art technology, IGCO colostrum is made by collecting fresh liquid colostrum from New Zealand cows and using the slow spray dry technique. This liquid colostrum is subjected to low temperature, just enough for the water content of colostrum to evaporate, and after water evaporation, what remains is the solid powder form of colostrum. With this technique, the active biological components of colostrum, such as the immune factors and growth factors, are preserved. One box of IGCO colostrum contains 30 sachets. IGCO colostrum is a healthy functional drink prepared by mixing and dissolving 1 sachet in half a glass of lukewarm water to be taken on an empty stomach early in the morning or at bedtime. Do not use hot water in preparing IGCO colostrum because hot water will destroy or denature the antibodies and other active protein components present in colostrum. Adults can drink 1 or 2 sachets a day depending on their body needs and health status. Children below 12 years of age can take 1/4 to 1 sachet a day. Medical practitioners such as oncologists, pediatricians, surgeons, internists, obstetrician gynecologists, general practitioners, alternative medicine physicians who are drinking and endorsing IgO colostrum have their own clinical experiences regarding IgO colostrum. Some of the health benefits observed by medical doctors with the use of IgO colostrum: lessening of inflammation and pain in patients with arthritis, improves the quality of sleep, helps in lowering blood sugar to normal levels, less episode of asthmatic attacks, faster recovery from dengue infection, decreased infection rate among cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy, improves memory in cases of senile dementia, accelerates wound healing in post-operative patients, burns unwanted fats and builds lean muscle mass, alleviates the sign and symptoms of skin allergy. We are exposed to a lot of factors that weaken our immune system, such as stress, exposure to bacteria and viruses due to polluted air and water, misuse and abuse of drugs, unhealthy lifestyles like chronic smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet like processed foods, too much soft drinks and coffee, food preservatives, lack of regular exercise, inadequate sleep. Prolonged exposure to any or all of these factors will cause gradual deterioration of our health status. Filipinos should make it a habit to drink colostrum every day to maintain a healthy immune system. Colostrum is not a drug and never a substitute for medicines. It is very important to visit and consult your physician for any health concerns you have. Colostrum is a healthy food and it should be a part of our daily food regimen to maintain good health. A glass of colostrum every day will drive the microbes away.